Hello and welcome to AMACO's Cubist Perspective project. All the materials for this project can be found on the AMACO website. The key to the Cubist movement was combining different perspectives to the same artwork. Choose a subject or a partner and sketch it from two different perspectives. Next, roll out a slab of clay. Here I am using white art clay number 25. Once that's finished, trace your drawing onto the clay. You can use a pencil or the end of a paintbrush. You could even use a colored marker so you can see what hasn't been traced. Now using a metal or a plastic knife, cut out both faces. I prefer to cut out one face and then different facial features from both faces to place on top. This allows me to move around and play with the overall composition. The hair is a focal point in this drawing, so I make sure to include it. Feel free to try different arrangements and configurations of the pieces to see what composition you like best. Using a texture mold and a rolling pin, I apply a design to the hair. Now the most important part, scoring and slipping. Using a serrated rib, I make cross-hatching marks into the clay. Remember to score both sides. Instead of applying slip, I'm using vinegar diluted with water to attach the pieces. Both work well, but the vinegar can be easier to clean up. I decided that the lips from the other face aided in the development of the overall composition, so I chose to use those. These pieces will be glazed with velvet underglazes to reference the saturated hues found later in the Cubist movement. Feel free to experiment with different AMACO low-fire glazes to achieve your own effect. The same principles can be applied to still lifes to allow even further creativity. We look forward to seeing how your projects turn out. For any further questions or to see our other lesson plans, visit our website at amaco.com.